Hello, I'm Darren from Precision Propeller Company. My father established Precision Propeller in 1963. He hired me at about 8 years old, hired me back when I was 10. It's a family business, has been since then. We're at 5626 North Freya. My father had a vision of fixing propellers, all the carnage that he saw while he was fishing the Snake and the Columbia and through our area lakes in the Northwest. He was a milkman in Colfax and moved to Spokane. We were repairing $20 props for $10. People thought he was crazy. But entrepreneurs are funny that way. Now, 63 years later, I've ran it, and now my son has taken over. And we're going into the next level of our company. I'm going into a little bit more salvage business with Precision Marine Salvage, and my son Colton has taken over Precision Propeller Company. We're both involved, and we're there for you. Propeller, we do everything from propeller repair, skag repair, heat arc welding, fabrication. Some high performance applications come through our shop now and again, and we can make those right as well. We try to carry a large inventory of propellers in stock. We have some demos, some used, a lot of new. If we don't have the right one for you, we'll have it within a day or two. Here's Colton over here, shipping department right now, probably making orders and making sure we have inventory for everybody out there. Some of these boxes are freight that came in today for repair of Carnage that happened over last weekend. Back here, Colton's got a lot of these prepared. These are large inboards, mainly for your surf boat applications, your dual props off the Volvo applications. We try to make them look as new, or if not better than new, from the factory. We go over the balance, the diameter, blade thickness, everything is true. We make it right for you. This is where we turn Carnage into propulsion again. We do cavitation plate repairs. As you can see, Carnage. We'll make it new, reform the trim adjustment, and you'll never know it was ever damaged. Here's Ben putting a high polish on some cleaver high performance props. Those things will chew you up and spit you out. Here's one that we just recently got in that was damaged to pretty much beyond repair. But because it would be so hard to replicate on a twin screw application, we will take a prop that maybe is not really repairable, but because we're so good, we will repair it and make it match that other side that would be very difficult to do again if we couldn't repair it. This area here is some of the magic in the blocks. These factory forms are built by one company. They're very difficult to get, and to collect this many is something we've done over the past 65 years. These molds will tell us where the bend is in your propeller, and we form it back like a blacksmith, a hammer and an anvil. 10-ton presses hold them into place, but we bring these into these blocks and make them true again, basically with a hammer, an anvil, and a little muscle. We do aluminum fabrication, and we can also check out your application to make sure if the motor height is right, you've got that right propeller. Most of the time you don't. Usually boats are over-propped coming from the factory. We analyze the propeller, what you're doing with that boat, and usually can prop your application much better. Sometimes it'll go through 3 owners, and now you can make that boat a keeper.